Alright, 2003 Yukon here. It says Chevrolet, what, Z something this is. There has a problem. Okay, Billy, put it inside, I guess, neutral.
Key on.
Yeah, the same thing you did before. Okay, now, this thing was, the customer brought this in figuring he was having some type of problem, some noise. So it was in two-wheel high. So what I did was take it out and I put it in four-wheel low. However, it would not get out of four-wheel low. And we're gonna see, we have a noise that's here right by this transfer case. What are you pressing? Where is it on now?
Four low.
Four low, okay. Go ahead to two-wheel. Okay. Billy say two-wheel is flashing, and all we hear is this motor. Okay. It quit flashing, but it did not switch. Is it in neutral? The it's in neutral. Okay. Try four-wheel high.
Four-wheel high.
Okay, it is not turning that transfer case back like it's supposed to. Quit flashing. Okay, no, start it up and we're gonna see if this make a difference. Are you in neutral? Okay, now put it into try it one more time. It's flashing, he said. It's trying to turn it, but it won't do it. Alright, so now either the gears is messed up in that transfer case motor, or the transfer case is so stuck it can't turn it. So we're gonna take this off and see if we can turn it by hand and get it back into two-wheel high or two-wheel drive. Alright, come on, Billy. Turn it off. Yep. This front drive shaft, try that again, what you did with that. Hit it with that with this thing again. Trying to get the front drive shaft out. It's rusted in. It's not floating like it is, so it's hard to get it out.
I thought this says high and low. Yeah, sure does. Oh, no.
It's moving there.
There's a little heat.
Look like it's moving. You got to move this out the way so we can get to the transfer case motor. But this vehicle has more than one problem. That drive shaft needs to be
Let me see if plaster will get in there now.
it need to be lubed up so it can float back and forth freely. So it don't seem like it's doing.
Maybe if we pound it in now. Huh?
Now we have to get it out. If you pound it in, okay, maybe you can bring it in and move it back and forth. It's not moving. It's rusted.
I don't know if it went in or not. I don't know.
Ah, boy, this is a messed up thing here.
This one seems to be a lot.
Okay, we're gonna try a different gun over here. Mako gun.
Oh, shit.
Billy had the air off.
Oh, God. No wonder my gun don't
Ain't mine either. What's wrong with you, Billy? Golly, boy. The air off.
Not the movie. Let me fill up this truck over there.
Boy, he didn't even have the air on. Boy. Boy, Billy, what's wrong with you? Alright, we're trying it with more air pressure now. Oh, hold on. Let me move this so I can see if it's moving. Alright. Go ahead. Pressure, but ain't moving.
Oh, God. Let the compressor build back up.
Yeah, try that Mako one over there. See what happens.
This one sounded louder.
It sure did.
Well, that ain't gonna move if this is binding.
That ain't binding. So that thing is stuck.
Powerful gun.
Woo! It ain't doing nothing though. So that rust is more powerful. What's that Mako? Alright. Okay, put a different motor in here. And we've got this drive shaft, this front drive shaft off. Now I am stuffing this stuff full of anti-seize. This thing has to be able to slide in and out. Don't know, the drive shaft has been chewed up with the rust. I'm stuffing all this stuff in here, making sure, because it has to be able to slide back and forth, and that rust and corrosion getting there cause an issue. So this anti-seize will help it lubricate it and make it where it can slide like it should. And we put a different motor on here. That other motor, it was all out of position. It was terrible motor. So we're gonna see. Let me show you the drive shaft. Got the drive shaft over here. Where is it? Can you see that? It's chewed up. All chewed up right there. You're trying to file it down. That front part is good. But the back part is terrible.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Tony afraid that it might get caught and won't slide. If it doesn't work, then we're gonna have to get another drive shaft. That's the reason right there why this didn't want to come out. So we're gonna lubricate this too. Get it to slide back and forth.
Yo. Now we got the U-joint fucking pop. Put never sees on it. Now it's not so rough. I feel it different.
Alright, Billy, do your thing.
Probably easier now, really. It's not so rough. Cleaned it all up. That cleaned it all up. gone. Might slide now. That's enough.
All right, let's see. See if we can get this to go in and slide like it should. It's going in a little. One in.
Try prying it forward. Ain't gonna go that way.
Nope.
So now we got a sledgehammer right back in there.
No, I don't think it's lined up.
Huh?
I don't think it's lined up.
I'm gonna have to sledgehammer it.
I'll try to tap on it over. I'm gonna try to tap on it over. Line me up with my board. Right there.
There it goes.
What's it doing?
Going in.
Going in. See, that's the good part. Now it's gonna start getting rough. We're gonna have to beat the shit out of
I
it.
think you got easy then.
Huh? Got easy?
No, he thinks so.
Something.
He's wrong. Let me see where this is
Should
going.
use-
Lock up there. Okay.
Use Tony's long thing.
It still won't be free enough.
That's because we got to move it
Is it
back
still
and forth.
going?
Yeah, it's going. So Tony got to take his hammer and knock it back that way. Start freeing it up with his air
Alright.
hammer.
Air hammer.
Or that.
I'm gonna use that thing.
It ain't gonna free that thing off.
Where'd you go in?
Oh, it went in a lot. Yeah, you could tap it that way. It should be easy. Yeah. Yep. Okay. He tapped it easy, Tony. He tapping it back, all the way back in.
Hold on to it.
So you going in and out, or what are we doing?
He's going in. He just went out.
See, this is the part that's bad.
That's okay. Keep going. Go ahead, Billy. Do it again. Coming in and out. It's doing it. It's going in, coming out because I
Yeah.
got stuff in the back. Keep
Because
doing
all
it.
that stuff that
That's okay. Go ahead, do it
that
again.
never seizes in
It
there.
did push out the splines. Go ahead, Billy. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Good. It's going. It's going. It's going. Did you pull it out, Tony?
No,
Because it came all the way out. Billy knocked it in and just whipped out that way.
it just keeps coming out.
Obviously going grease
It's
in
doing
behind
good.
it.
Right,
too
and
much
it's
grease.
pushing it, which makes...
Not supposed to have that.
No,
grease.
that's fine. It's pushing
Take
itself
your
out.
screwdriver and try to pop it in now. It's popping out.
It's moving. He just pulled it. So
This fucking
that's good. That's good. Now it's sliding.
this has gotta move. For it to go all the way in. Ah, fuck.
Here, Billy, you handle that.
You got it jammed here now.
You got it. Watch that oxygen sensor up there. Okay, see if you can move it back and forth by hand. Yep, he's moving it. Go ahead by hand, moving in and out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's sliding now.
I can move it.
It's slid. It's,
Hold it like it is, Tony, and I'll tap the rest of the way back in.
yeah, it's slid
I'm
all
gonna
the way
try to
out.
apply pressure while you're doing that.
Oh, it's sliding good now. Look at that.
Go in.
Yeah, it went all the
Almost.
way in. This went all the way back.
In a second. Is this? Gotta be like this.
It's sliding.
Okay, it's in. It's in.
Okay.
I can put the caps on. Let me put the caps on before you slide it back.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's sliding nice and easy now.
Where's the caps?
Oh.
Hold on.
Tap it.
It's coming. There it
Oh,
is.
it's
It's
real
in.
nice.
It's in all the way.
Jump right and push.
Now, it might work back and forth as long as he's driving it, but
It's nice.
It's working. It's free.
Yeah, it's free.
you give this guy a motor. What you do. And you fix this whole drive shaft problem. As it goes, this clunk. That clunk's gone. It's definitely gone, that clunk. Looks acting just like a bad U-joint.
All right, now we're just gonna put it back together. And then that's it. We're gonna put this thing back. Woo! What a job.